Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the meaning and usage of the phrasal verb come across. You know the meaning for the word come. Do you know the meaning for come across? How can you use come across in your sentence while you are talking? Let's get into the lesson. Come means to approach or move toward a particular person or place. You are familiar with the word come. Example sentence: come here. Don't come. There's a car coming. But look at this word come across. Came across. Come across is in present tense. Came across is in past tense. What is the meaning of the word come across? Come across means find unexpectedly. Meet or find someone or something by chance. Example sentence: she came across some old photographs in a drawer. It means while she was cleaning the drawer, she finds some old photographs unexpectedly. Look at this example sentence: I came across these old books when I was tidying the house. When I was tidying the house, I found these books unexpectedly. I found these books by chance. So, come across means to discover something, to notice something unexpectedly, to discover something by chance.